Hello everyone, I am Ashikur Rahman. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to track your website's conversion data and send it to Facebook for Facebook ads. For this, we will do several work. First of all, we will create a pixel, then create Google Tag Manager setup. We will set up a Google Tag Manager container, then set up pixel conversion with dynamic value tracking. In this video, we will show you how to set up ViewContent and AddToCart, and in the upcoming video, we will show you how to conversion tracking for initiate checkout and purchase. So for this, at first, let's create a tag manager account. So for this, let's go to tagmanager.google.com. By the way, I already created a video where I have created Google Tag Manager account and attached it with WordPress website. So one more thing, we will show these things. We will show these things in WordPress website. In the later videos, we will show you how to do this in Shopify website. So let's start now. uh, let's assume you will have a blank page, or if you have, no problem. First of all, let's create a account for the website. Let's click create account. Now write your website name. So in our case, this is web learnings. Let's do this country. So for country, you can select your country. I am leaving it United States. Now I have to give a website URL for container setup. So what is container? This is a account, and under the account, for every website we will create container. So we want to create a web version or browser site tracking. So I have to um, uh, input the URL. Now I want to track this web version. Let's select web. Now click create. Now here you can see a checkbox. I also accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR. Let's click this and click yes. It is loading. Yes, we are done. Now they will give us a tracking code. So if we want to track our website, we must do this in our WordPress website, or paste this in our WordPress website below the header. But we will do this in different way. So first, let's go to our website. I am logging in my backend. Then we will do this through a plugin, because it will help you to implement many things like data layer and many more options. So first of all, let's install the plugin. Go to plugin, add new. Now search GTM. Yeah, this is the plugin GTM4WP Thomas Jaiger. Then click activate. So I already have installed of this, so this is showing activate, but you can see install now button. Anyway, no problem, you just click install, then activate. Now I have to visit the tag manager. Here in the settings, I can see Google Tag Manager. As I have installed previous tag manager, there is a previous ID, so let's just remove. Now go to your tag manager account and copy the tracking code. This is a tracking ID, sorry, and if you click here, you will see a tracking code. So we will just uh, need to copy the tracking ID, because the other code already is there in the background of the pixel. So just copy the tracking code ID. just copy, Control C, or you can copy this and paste it here. Make sure it is on, and it should be off. Sorry, or footer of the page not recommended by. That's it. Save changes. Click. Yes, we are done. So if our tag manager set up perfectly or not, we can visit our website. Let's visit. So there is a plugin or a Chrome extension called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. So we can check here if our tag manager is working or not. So let's click enable, then refresh the page. We can see result of tag analysis, Google Tag Manager. Our tag manager ID is here, so it is working perfectly. So let's see 944K. This is 944K. So I think it is working. It is really working. So let's go to the next step. Now we will create a pixel in the Facebook business manager. Then we will connect it with our website through Google Tag Manager. This is the Tag Manager tool. This is only done to connect any marketing platform. So if you don't have knowledge about these tags, triggers, variables, I will recommend you to view my previous video to get a clear idea of this. Now let's visit business.facebook.com. Now click settings, business settings. We can cross this. Here we can click data sources, pixels. Now let's add a new pixel. To create new pixel, you should click add. Now it will open a form. So pixel name, I can we can do this. Web learnings pixel demo. Okay, this is the name. You can put any name to remember what is the pixel type or which website has this pixel. Now let's input the website URL. This is not mandatory, but it is good to do this. Let's click continue. Now continue managing my business. Set up the pixel. Now we will click setup. Yes, done. So here we can see many options. We will do this. Edit your website's code to set up the pixel. Set up manually. Now they will give us um, a code just like Google Tag Manager, but we don't need this. Then again, just copy this and open a notepad and paste the code here. Here you can see the your pixel ID is this. So just save it. I will show you another way uh, to extract the pixel ID. Just click cross, then go to your events manager. Open in events manager. Now go to settings. Here you will see your pixel ID always. So we can copy from here, or we can also copy from here. But our later works is in events manager. So we are here now. Let's click this ID, then it is copied. Now go to Google Tag Manager, then go to tags. We will now set a all page view tag. So for this it will paste all the pixel ID in every page. Okay, so let's do this. Click new. Let's write FB all. Okay, page view tag. Now click tag configuration. Here we will install a template of Google Tag Manager, which is called Facebook Pixel Incubator. It is a official pixel created by Facebook. So Facebook Pixel created by Facebook Archive. This is official pixel template from Facebook. It will help us easily to manage all the orgs at to workspace. Now click add. Done. So now we just copied our pixel ID. We just need to paste it here. If we paste it here, then page view, we will just set up a page view tag. What does it mean? It means if we visit any of the page, then it will track our visitor data. So then that's why if we set this tag, then our base tag will be implemented in all the pages. So by doing this, it will implemented your pixel in all pages. So for this we will just need to click trigger, then all pages. That's it. Now click save. We are done. Now for tag manager we need to submit. This is a version, this is done for version. Now we can write a description, pixel setup, then publish. We're done. So let's check all our work done perfectly or not. So for this, click preview and put our website URL here, then click connect. This is a Google Tag Assistant tool. Whenever it is connected, if we visit any page, it will show us and text. Our text is firing or not. FB page view tag. Yes, as it is saying text fired. This is fired. So now we can see another Chrome extension called Meta Pixel Helper. What is shows? This is showing a page view of page view, just an information. So this means this page view is working perfectly. So let's check Facebook itself is getting the data or not. So for this, click test events. Now click our website URL here. Let's copy this and click here. Now open website. Let's scroll something. We have to wait some moment. Let's just refresh the page. Now paste the URL again and click open website. Cross this. Okay, so we have to wait some moment, I think. Now check Facebook Business Manager, and it will take some time. For this we just have to off no tweak right placement. Select this option and click save changes. Now we can see our website is working. It is sending data to our business manager. So let's visit another page. Just click here. Now you can see it has visited this page. So this is how it is working. It will work. You can see this is also working. That's it. You can see we visited this product first, then again product DNK blue shoes, product Okay, it will take some little bit time, but no problem. It will work. I in my opinion. So now let's create a tag trigger variable for view content. We can cross this and this dark brown jeans, dark green cable jeans. Anyway, so we can close this. Just close this. We also don't need this. Let's click a refresh to see it is green or not. Yes, it is green. That means our pixel is active. Okay, let's close this. Now go to Google Tag Manager and let's click variables. We will now have to click sorry, um, we have to now create variables, user defined variables. So what is variable and why we need this? So here first of all, let's also show one more thing. Let's click integration in your Google Tag Manager. That means in the settings, now click WooCommerce. Then you just have to track enhanced e-commerce. This click this because it will enable data layer in your Google Tag Manager. Then you will be able to retrieve data from your Google Tag Manager. So what is this? This is a data layer. Uh, let's click preview once more again. I already have clicked this, so I don't have to do this. You just need to click this, then save changes. That's it. Okay, so let's click connect. Now visit a product page. So let's click this product. Here I can see a event fired. What is this event? This is a Google Analytics 4 data layer event. So, sorry, Google Analytics 4 event. So this is a data layer schema. Click data layer. Now you can see a huge data. This is a data collected from this product page. The developer created this uh, by this plugin and set this. Now we can take any of the data we need and just retrieve it to our website and we can send it to Facebook. So now we will do this. For this I have a Google Docs. I just need to create user defined variable so that through this variable I can send data to Facebook. Now for this I need to do this. Let's copy this item. This is the name of the variable and this is the value. So for this, sorry, I have a mistake. This is the name of the variable. We will create variable by from this, and this is the parameter we need to send to Facebook. Okay, now just copy this item, go to Google Tag Manager, then click new from variable, then paste the name we copied, DLV item name. Now click the here, from the here you can click data layer variable. Because we will collect from data from data layer variable, data layer, so we have to click data layer variable, then copy the uh, visit this place. Now just copy this. Then paste it here, then save. Again, we will have to create this and variable. So copy it and click new, paste the name and click here. Same process, click data layer variable, copy this. We just have to copy from beginning to end, nothing cannot be left. Click paste. Again do this as it is, go to again, same process, save. For currency, copy here, here, data layer variable, paste. That's it, we have done. Now we have to create a tag. First of all, let's create trigger. So for this, click new, and what we are doing, view content. This means whenever anyone visit your product page, we will send a event, or will send a data to Facebook that a person visited our product page and our product data. So for this, let's click trigger. Let's FB view content trigger. We can name this. You can name anything, no problem. Now let's click trigger configuration. For this, we have to click custom event. So when we click custom event, we will use data layer and its event. So whenever we visit a product page, it fires a event called view item. So this is the event name. So we have to just copy it and paste it here. This means Google Tag Manager will track every page. Whenever we visit a product page, it will notice that a view item event fired. So this means it is a product page. So that's how we will track product page view. Now click save. We have successfully saved the trigger. Now click text. The text is uh, the sending data to Facebook. Now click new, then name the tag FB view content tag. Now click tag configuration. Here we have to select Facebook pixel. We just installed it earlier. We should create another thing. Let's come here. Now copy this pixel ID, paste it here. Now what we are doing, view content. So from this, earlier it was page view, we didn't have to do anything. Now we have to select view content, because we will track the product page. From here, select view content. Now this we have done this, but we have to send all data also. So for this, we have to click object properties, click add properties. We have to send multiple items. So first of all, event name, there is nothing to do with it, just copy it. Okay, copy the and paste it, and just directly copy and paste. Done. Now we have to send content type. Facebook told us to send the data or content type data by writing this. we don't have anything to do here. We just copy and paste it, and uh, for here we can copy the product group. So why product group? Because this page has multiple items: handbag, pants, t-shirts, jewelry, and many things. So for multiple product items, we have to copy paste the product group. But if we have just only one type of item, then we will just copy product. Anyway, let's copy this and paste it here. Now for content name, we used item name variable, DLV item name variable. D for data, L for layer, V for variable. Anyway, we have to select this from here. Let's click here, DLV item name. Click here. That's it. We are done. Almost. Content IDs. So for this, let's click copy. Copy this and click here. Then select the IDs. Item ID. Now for value, click value. Okay. Then also select the price item. That's it. Now also click currency, copy it and paste it here, and click currency. That's it. We have done. Now save it. Oh, sorry. We have to add the trigger we created earlier. Now click view content trigger. That's it. We have done. Then save, submit it or publish. Let's write view content event setup. Done. Now every time we have done a work, we just need to preview this. Let's click let's click preview. We have mistakenly clicked submit. Now again click preview. It will open the website. Yeah, we have done. So the page view tag fired. Now click any product. Let's click here. Yes, view content tag fired. So tags are working fine. Now we can click here. Here you can see view content tags fired perfectly. Metapixel helper showed us it is working. Now click here, view content. So content ID, the ID of this product, and name, content name. So boho Bengal bracelet. So boho Bengal bracelet, it is working. Now content type data is product group. It is also perfectly working, and other data also is doing great. So now let's visit events manager and see it is working or not. So just click clear it and visit again our website. On thing we cannot see. Okay, visit a product. Okay, again it will take some time. No problem, we'll wait some moment. Let's refresh the page. Yes, it is working. Click here. You can see everything is perfectly working. So here we can see a warning. We will show you how to remove this in the later videos. So for now just ignore it. We will do this in the later videos. So here we can see a problem that our product price and currency is not showing here, but it's showed parameters 5. So for this we need to check our tag again. Go to tags, go to view content tag, click here, object properties, uh, value, currency. Let's go to variable. Let's get sorry, because we mistakenly pasted the um, name here, so this is why it is not sending data. So just go here and copy this item price and paste it here. Now save, and let's check currency. You also done this mistake here, so copy this and paste it here. Now it will send this data also. Submit. No need to do anything here. Done. Now let's visit another page. Dark blue denim. View content. Let's just clear the activity and do the process again. It takes some time every time. So visit here. In this field or in the Google Tag Assistant window, we can see everything is working perfectly. Currency is BDT, value is on 50. So for some time we have browser cookies or cache. That's why sometimes it don't work, but it will take some time but work, I think. So this is not a problem. So we can check this, and now you can see here everything is working. At first we should take a look in this field. Anyway, no problem. Now we will create add to cart. So for add to cart, you can see that almost every item is common, so nothing is changed. So we can create it very fast. Just we have to create a trigger. So for this, let's click add to cart. You can see a add to cart event fired. This is a add to cart event. So the event name is add to cart. That's it. So let's click new. Let's write FB add to cart trigger. Now click trigger configuration and custom event, then paste the event name. That's it, we have done. As view content and add to cart is almost same, so just copy this and change the name add to cart. Yes, now we have to change this item and also the trigger, because it is a view content trigger. So add to cart. One more thing, just keep in mind that we have to change this also, because event name is for now add to cart. So go here, copy this and paste it here. Save. After copying this and this almost same, we just need to change some item, and that's it, we have done. Now click submit, publish. Let's write add to cart event set up. Click enter and save, publish. Done. Now click preview to check it is working perfectly or not. Now go to a page and click add to cart. So summary is text fired add to cart. So add to cart text fired. Now click here. So for add to cart it doesn't show here because the page loads and only the page view and view content show here. No problem, we can check here, but for some reason this is not currently. Every data came, no problem. I can see every data. Once more, let's go here, click add to cart. The event is working but little bit slow. No problem. So here you can see our first add to cart is working. 150 BDT, content ID, anything, everything. So that's all from me. From today's video, we just created pixel, create Google Tag Manager, set up pixel conversion with dynamic value tracking. For now, we created view content and add to cart. In the next video, we will show you how to track initiate, checkout, and purchase. This is a little bit tricky and little bit tough, but no problem. We'll show you easily how to do this. So to implement this, you need this doc file, because you have to copy the name and variable name and also the parameter name. So if you want to have this doc file, I will link the download option in our description. And to view more content like this, please subscribe. Thank you very much to stay this much.